Today is a nuanced session, strong in some areas, weak in others. Here is the full picture. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Here is your India market briefing for July 13th. We cover the Nifty 50, Sensex, Bank Nifty, and the stocks dominating headlines today. Let us start with a snapshot of the Indian equity markets today. Starting with the Nifty 50, India's benchmark large-cap index. Nifty 50 is little changed, hovering near 24,212 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that after the latest RE stock rally, investors face a reality check, Morningstar. Nifty 50 is in a consolidation phase, a pattern that can precede a significant directional break. Watch the $24,696 resistance and $23,727 support as the boundaries of the current range. The Sensex, tracking India's 30 largest blue-chip companies. Sensex is little changed, hovering near 77,634 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that after the latest RE stock rally, investors face a reality check, Morningstar. The Bank Nifty, India's banking sector barometer, is closely watched by traders as a leading indicator for the broader market. Bank Nifty is little changed, hovering near 58,124 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, SBI, Q1 FY27 earnings outlook, SOHI. With Bank Nifty moving sideways today, the market is effectively waiting for a fresh catalyst. The $59,577 level above and $56,670 below are the levels to monitor for the next directional signal. Now let us look at the stocks making headlines in India today. NTPC is up plus 2.28%, trading at 352.40 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by NTPC greenlights 20,456.7 Indian rupees crore for Lara Stage 3 expansion to boost power capacity, SOHI. The near-term technical picture for NTPC looks constructive. Watch the $366.50 level as the first meaningful resistance zone. A close above there on decent volume would be an encouraging sign for bulls. As always, this is analytical commentary, not financial advice. Kotak Mahindra Bank is up plus 1.97%, trading at 385.05 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, SBI, Q1 FY27 earnings outlook, SOHI. The near-term technical picture for Kotak Mahindra Bank looks constructive. Watch the $400.45 level as the first meaningful resistance zone. A close above there on decent volume would be an encouraging sign for bulls. As always, this is analytical commentary, not financial advice. Tata Steel dropped sharply minus 2.10% to 187.18 Indian rupees. This comes as Y is BHP, ASX BHP, setting the pace for metal and mining stocks. Kalkine Media, adding pressure to energy markets. After today's weakness, the $181.56 area is the first meaningful support level to watch for Tata Steel. A stabilization there would be the first sign that sellers are losing conviction. This is our analytical view, not investment advice. Now let us look at the macro backdrop for Indian markets. The rupee is weakening against the dollar, trading at 95.61. A softer rupee compresses margins for import-heavy sectors like oil, consumer goods, and airlines, while IT exporters like TCS and Infosys benefit. Investor sentiment is being shaped by US futures drift as investors await earnings season and inflation data, Dow Jones, S&P, NASDAQ, Yahoo Finance. Foreign institutional investor flows are the near-term swing factor. Any risk-off in global markets tends to amplify selling pressure on Indian indices given the high FII ownership in Nifty 50 constituents. The biggest mover in India today is NTPC. NTPC is up plus 2.28%, trading at 352.40 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by NTPC greenlights 20,456.7 Indian rupees crore for Lara Stage 3 expansion to boost power capacity, SOHI. The near-term technical picture for NTPC looks constructive. Watch the $366.50 level as the first meaningful resistance zone. A close above there on decent volume would be an encouraging sign for bulls. As always, this is analytical commentary, not financial advice. Here is your market watch list heading into the next session. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. We cover every major global market, every single day. If this kind of daily, actionable analysis is useful to you, please support us with a like and subscribe. It takes 2 seconds and it means a great deal to this channel. Share this with anyone who invests or trades, they will thank you for it. That wraps up today's coverage from MTRS_Market Pulse. This content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own research. Stay disciplined, and we will see you tomorrow. That is your India market briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily coverage of Indian and global markets.